how to make a yardstick. First you need any color construction paper, 9 by 12, some tape, a ruler, some markers, and a pair of scissors. So I'm going to fold this twice in half, then I'm going to cut. I have 4 pieces now. I know that 12 inches is 1 ruler long, so I'm going to measure them. They're each 12 inches long. So I just only need 3 pieces. This is a little quicker, so I'm putting that aside. I know that 3 feet is 1 yard, so I'm going to tape 3 of them together. I have my own yardstick, but now we have to label it. Now we're going to label it from 0 to 36. This is 36 inches. Side. Now I'm going to write the feet on the back. Paper yardstick. Now let's measure the table. This is 3 feet a yard or 36 inches. I think this is all for now. This is Connor Van Wyn signing out. Whoa!